Hello, all. So, welcome back. So, basically, I want to just give a brief introduction to the web development. And in this, I'm going to start with my first topic, which is about the backend development. And whenever we think of any backend development, the first thing that comes to our mind is what is a server, right? So, don't think that server is a machine or it's a computer or it's a big computer. No, no, no. Server is basically something which serves you back some response, right? It could be a local machine, it could be your backend server, it could be from the cloud. So don't ever think like server is like a big computer. No, no, no. It's not like that. So whenever we think of a server returning a response, in this particular series of lectures, I'm going to stick to a specific programming language. Now, what is a backend? Guys, let me tell you, backend is very interesting because if you when you ask any person what is a backend technology, they will say, oh, backend technology means only programming, business logics. No, it's not like that. Let me tell you what it is actually. So a backend technology would basically mean some sort of a programming language which you need to know, and also some sort of a database that you need to communicate, right? So the programming language can be of various type like Java, PHP, Golang, Ruby, Python, JavaScript, and so on. Yes, you heard it right, JavaScript. I'll quickly come to that how JavaScript dived into the arena of backend development in just a few minutes of time. And we also know that we need a database where we need to store the data that the user interacts with the web application, right? So the database could be SQLite 3, PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB. Even MongoDB is becoming very, very famous nowadays because it's a NoSQL database where we store the data in form of documents, guys. So in this playlist series, I will only stick to Node.js and backend development using JavaScript. Now, why? Because I want to actually follow a particular streamline and I want to teach you guys in detail what backend technology is. I don't want to jump around to different programming languages and make you all confused. I want to stick to one programming language. I want to stick to one particular framework. And then I just want to ensure that I teach you all in great detail what backend technology is. All right. And I want to, and the target of my in this video, I want to have a target of at least 500 comments in this video, guys. I'm creating this video for you all, and I want to make this video as much as resourceful as possible with good content where you guys can learn what backend technology is. And through my comments, I want to get to know from you all what you think about web backend development. I want to learn new things from you all as well. It should not be a one-way learning, but it should be a two-way learning or an interactive learning session. I will come live in coming days, but for now, I just want to kick off the series of Node.js and Express.js. Now, guys, wait a minute. What is Node.js and what is Express.js? You don't have to dig up your head now. If you're new to this concept of backend development, then I will explain you from the basic what it means. So in this series, I want at least 500 comments in this video, guys, and I just want to kickstart my video by the first session that is a basic intro to Node.js and Express.js. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. My channel name is Tech Simplified. So let's get started. All right. So coming back to this backend technology, right? And in this backend technology, we start with the basic fundamentals of how a server works, right? So suppose if I want to tell you like about Node.js and Express.js. So Node.js is not a framework, guys. Node.js is not a library, guys. Node.js is a runtime for JavaScript. Now you might guys be wondering, hey Rohit, what you are saying? JavaScript is running on the server. Yes, guys, it's not any more surprising because in 2009, the JavaScript was made to expand its capability beyond browser and it came to the server. And now we have couple of runtimes which runs JavaScript like Node.js, Bun, Dino. But guys, listen. You don't have to worry about all these technologies. You remembered like when we studied React.js, we even interacted with Node.js. But did we really needed the concept of Node.js? No, guys, because Node.js is a runtime which needs to run JavaScript, right? So in this case also, we are not going to consider much on Node.js. Whenever it's needed, we'll discuss about it. So backend technology means a programming language and a database. And the programming language will be having the business logic. The term business logic does not mean business or anything. It just means that it's the logic that we write in the code, right? It doesn't mean it's meant for business people or something like that. No, no, guys. All right. And the response will be returned back in form of API to the front end. That's what the backend technology is. In this video, I'll briefly explain you what Node.js is, where Node.js is basically a runtime environment for running JavaScript outside the browser on the server. That's it. And Express is a minimalistic framework of JavaScript, which is actually used for handling routes and listens on different requests sent by the front end on the server. So Express acts like a server which interacts with the backend database, right? So that's it from my stay tuned on my channel. I'll soon come back with my second video where I'll teach you all how to upload or how to create or install Node and npm on your environment system on your local host. And I'll kickstart with a hello world example of Node.js and then I'll quickly jump over to the Express.js. Still then, stay tuned on my channel and please do like, share and comment my channel and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come up with a lot of resources and it will really be a great playlist coming ahead. Because, guys, I want to tell you, I don't want to rush with things. I don't want to, because many people will say that you want to complete this series fast because you have placement, you want to do internship, you want to know more about backend development. But guys, not for me, because I can't complete this very fast because I need to touch upon all the different concepts, all the different technologies, what it means, what backend technology actually means, how it works. So without that, it's not possible for me to rush and complete everything. So stay tuned, have patience. I'll soon come up with my next video. Thank you very much. Stay happy, stay good.